Recently, WhatsApp added a new security which allow you to add a trusted device to your WhatsApp account, which enable you to monitor device login to your WhatsApp account without any stress. Whether you are using WhatsApp normal account or business WhatsApp account, all you have to do is to make sure you update your WhatsApp account to a latest version. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. For everyone using Android phone, just go to your Play Store right here and then make sure you click on search and go ahead and type in WhatsApp. And then for everyone using iPhone, just go to your App Store and then type in WhatsApp and make sure you update your WhatsApp to the latest version right here. After you successfully update your WhatsApp, click on open right here. Then here you go. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on these three dots from the top. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on settings right here. Then scroll down right here and then go ahead and click on accounts. Then here you go. Go ahead and simply click on two-step verification. So if you have not enabled two-step verification before, you will need to enable your two-step verification before you can add a trusted device. After successful enable your two-step verification, you will have access to the rest of the security features. Go ahead and click on trusted device right here. Then it's going to show you the device that is logging into your WhatsApp and it's going to show add right here. If you trust the device, just click on add. Once you click on add, it's going to be successfully added as your login device to your WhatsApp account. If you want to check the device detail, click on here, then you have the device detail right here. If you are no longer trust the device, you can as well remove device right here. You can use this to monitor who is logging in or which device are actually secretly logging into your WhatsApp account. It's that simple. This is one of the best security you can give to your WhatsApp account right now. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about WhatsApp security topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.